It's an industry that we've been working with on projects for well over 10 years now. And yeah, they have the usual requirements, say from an access control point of view, of controlling access for their staff into facilities. There's quite a few sort of chains of gymnasia now that sort of work 24/7, 365. So they're using more up-to-date technologies. So there's a gym chain in the UK, for example, they're starting to use facial recognition and biometrics. Other leisure companies that we work with will be using the access control system to allow their members to book classes or book squash course, that sort of thing. So we've been integrating our access control systems with membership relationship management software systems that are sold into the leisure industry. They're starting to use some of the technologies on the video side that have been more prevalent in the retail sector. So they're looking at using footfall information and people counting information from the CCTV systems to actually give the gym manager an understanding of actually what areas of the gym are busiest at what time, and looking at how the gym floor is laid out, or what equipment they have. If one particular area is very, very busy and people are waiting to use equipment, and there's other areas the equipment's not being utilised as much, gives them an understanding of how they need to reassign their investment. We've not got involved in any projects with mobile credentials within the leisure industry, but I think that's something that's going to start to happen because we're seeing that happen elsewhere, where people are moving away from cards to using phones, particularly to get into lockers and that sort of thing.